Two-less numbers. A man enters a shoe store, and a friendly vendor approaches him. "Well, what can I help you, sir?" "I'd like a pair of black shoes like the one in the window." "A glove, sir, let's see. The number you are looking for must be 41. True?" "No, I want a 39, please." "Excuse me, sir, I've been wearing on this for 20 hours, and the numbers must be 41. Maybe 40, but not a 39. A 39, please." "Excuse me, may I have you for measure?" "Measure what you want, but I want a pair of 39 shoes." The salesman takes out of the drawer abstracts the details of shoes hooks to measure fit, and "We accept scanship," proclaims Hussey. "What I sent 41. Tell me who is going to pay for the shoes or me?" "You." "All right, so will you read my 39? The salesman between excited and surprised go to look for the pair of shoes of number 30. 9 on the way. He realizes what is happening. The shoes are not formed, but surely they are to make a gift. "Sir, if you are 39 and black, can I have a few form? Are you going to put them on?" "Yes, a lot." "They are for you?" "Yes, can you bring me a shoehorn?" The shoehorn is shaped to add the foot and the shoe. After several items and requests, the client mentioned to put his stated foot inside the shoe. Between wheels and grants, he walks a few steps and the carpet will increasing difficulty. "It's okay, I will take them." The shop holds his perfect chance in mentioning the customer's fingers catch inside the shoes of 39. "Shall I wrap them for you?" "No, thanks, I'm wearing them." The client leaves the store and works as best he can. The relaxed odds spread him from his work. He works in the teller in bank. At 4 o'clock in the afternoon, after having spent more than 6 hours studying in our shoes, her face in out of shape, her eyes are red, tears streaming down her eyes. Each patient in the bank's next door has been wishing him our afternoon is worrying about him. "What's wrong? Are you ill?" "No, it's the shoes." "What's wrong with the shoes?" "They pricked me." "What happened to them?" "Have they gotten wet?" "No, they are numbers smaller than my foot." "Whose are they?" "Mine." "I do not understand. You don't wear feet hard?" "They are killing me, my feet." "And so?" "I'll explain," he said, swallowing what I do not live a life of merit. Start Jefferson. Actually, lately, I have very few pleasant moments, and I'm killing myself with the shoes I served traveling. It's true, but in a few hours, when I get home and take them off, can you imagine the pleasure it will feel? What a pleasure, man, what a pleasure.